Measure the gap between the top of door frame and the bottom of the door floor before removing the door from its hinges. If the door is not prepped, drill and countersink the door holes per the template. Attach the top bolt and rod assembly and the bottom bolt and rod assembly into the inner chassis. Slide the complete assembly through the top of door. Align and attach the inner chassis to the door with 2 screws. Attach the inside and outside exit trim levers using ET mounting screws. Insert the cam into the through hole. The spindle cams will be positioned below the inner chassis platform. The outside trim does not have exposed through bolt holes. With the inside lever rotated in a down position, adjust the top bolt and rod assembly. With the inside lever rotated in a down position, adjust the bottom bolt and rod assembly. Slide the rod silencer over the top bolt onto the rod. Make sure the silencer is pushed beyond the bolt on the rod. The teeth on the rod should face the teeth on the top case. Slide the top case over the top bolt and secure with 2 screws. Install the bottom plate over the bottom bolt and secure with 2 screws. Place the door into the frame and secure to the hinges with the supplied screws.